How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Amadora. I am back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday. And yes, for all of you who have been hitting me up saying, Mr. Tiny, please bring me a 3-bedroom single section. And while you're at it, can you give it to me in a cabin style? But I know due to the quality of your homes, your cabin styles are a lot of times outside of my budget. Can you do a little cabin style with a lower price point? Well, here we are today, ladies and gentlemen, with the Amadora. For those of you in the market currently for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single section home, and you like that cabin style, this home is coming in at 16 feet wide, 74 feet long. It's 1,122 square feet to be exact, and it's on sale today for $112K, $112,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And if you're subscribed like you should be, you'll know why that's a steal of a deal. If it's your first time to the channel, the reason why our prices are as such is because of features just like this. The exterior of this home is going to have a 50-year smart panel siding. The metal roof that you'll see finished out in Gavaloon will be a 30-year warranty. We chose to go with a lap accent down low to add a little color pop, and then we have the green as the base of the home as well. And you'll see we added a little accent as far as the exterior dormer right there above your front door, just to add some curb appeal. But 9 times out of 10, a lot of my clientele, once they get it on site, they're going to add some custom stairs, a custom porch off of the front to just bring this one-of-a-kind cottage to life. Now again, guys, you know me. I can talk about the outside all day long, but go ahead and follow me inside so I can show you how great this home is. And now we're on the interior of the Amadora. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, did I do it? Yes, he did. I went ahead and brought some of that cabin style aesthetic that you know and love from Recreational Resort Cottages and Mr. Tiny, and brought it in a competitive price point. At $112K, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath may be the home that you want today. Starting here in the living area, you'll see as soon as you walk in the front door, you are greeted by this large entertainment wall. It is going to have the pine accent going right here all the way up to the ceiling. That unique wood is going to look awesome. We have hickory cabinetry down below. We also have more of the bench style placement, whether you choose to mount your TV on the wall, so that way you have some seating space down below if you want to play some games or stuff like that, or just have some decor lined up, you can do just that. Also, we have the bookcase right over here to the side, the open bookcase right here, as well as 2 cabinet doors down below. Let's not overlook what's above us, and that's going to be the large tray ceiling with 4 can lights inside of the tray ceiling. Those things that make this home feel larger than life. Just adding that depth and dimension right here in the living area goes a long way. Not only do we have the natural light coming in from this side, we'll have it from the alternate side, but look how much space you have, even in a 16 wide home. Full-size furniture, possible and capable. Now, with that said, with all of this area here, let's start off by taking you to the guest end of the home before we even get to the good, the cherry on top. Let's go to the guest end. As you can see, we go right from the living area. We'll take it right down the hallway. And again, since this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, we'll start with guest bedroom 1. And as soon as you walk in here, you'll see whether this is for small children or guests to stay over for a night or two, or even if you want to turn this into a home office, you can do all of the above right here in guest bedroom 1. You'll have the window right here. You'll have your closet directly across. with the additional storage down below and the shelf and rod up top. And we'll close that on back because the fun is just getting started. Y'all follow me on down the hallway and you'll see here window coming in, bringing in some more natural light. What is this right in between the bedrooms? A guest bathroom, because it is a 2-bathroom home. You'll see even your bathroom is fitted out in the real hickory cabinetry. Also, you'll see the trim going around your window, matching the hickory cabinets. You'll have the tub shower combo. Yes, the one-piece tub shower combo works great for small children, works great as a shower for adults as well. Or if you want to rub a dub in the tub, you have the option to do so. Now, let's take it to guest bedroom number 2. Take it into the dose room. You come right in here, and yes, this one's even larger, so you can fit a larger bedroom or furniture arrangement of your choice. Again, we're bringing in some natural light. Again, the sidewall heights are raised, so it feels a little bit larger in this room. And then right here, you're going to have directly across your closet space for additional storage. Again, we're keeping everything cost-friendly, cost-effective, while still adding a functional floor plan for you to enjoy. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Showed you the guest side, showed you where the guests will be chilling, relaxing, and then just get a great look at when they come out in the morning, wake up, and they say, oh my gosh, I can't believe they got this house. Look how nice it is. Look at the open floor plan right here in the kitchen area. Look at this large island right here with the raised elevated bar section with tons of countertop space. This works great. We've only got 2 chairs right there, 2 stools, but you can fit a lot more right there, even going around the side if you wanted to. Also, what I like about it is the fact that the Bella Romano countertop goes directly down, drops right down to the main level, where this is a great place for you to wash dishes, prep, do everything, and you have your built-in dishwasher right there. So convenient for you as well. And then directly across, you'll see that we have the large cabinetry right there, the large hickory cabinets up top, the microwave, also your smooth top oven right there for your convenience. And we'll make our way on down. Side-by-side fridge, ice in the door, of course. And the Amador doesn't stop there. Right on to the kitchen and everything will be your utility room. Very convenient, so that way you spill some spaghetti sauce on your shirt, you need to get it washed up quick, fast, and in a hurry, you have a side-by-side washer and dryer area. Additional storage space up top for your detergents, so on and so forth. Rear door right here to get out to the back side of the home and the rear access to your property. And it doesn't stop there. You're going to hear me keep saying that because, again, when we can get more storage, we want to. So we've got right here a built-in hutch, coffee bar, as some of you like to call it. Regardless of how you use it, you have the cabinetry down low, you have the cabinetry up top, and additional countertop space there for you with a couple of outlets as well as USB ports for you to enjoy. And of course, if you want your morning coffee, you want to be able to get to it quick. So we have it conveniently located directly next to your primary suite. And as soon as we come into your primary suite, you'll sit there and see, oh yeah, you can tell this is the primary because you can fit any size bed you want in here plus more. You sit here, put a lounger in here if you want to. You have the ability to do so. You also get the super large window right here off the front side of the home. And then what I would prefer personally is my bed placed right here. That way I have nightstands on each side, have the outlets there to utilize, and directly across, as soon as I wake up in the morning, I have that view of that beautiful window and my property. Now I know what you're saying, Mr. Tiny. Where's the closet? Where's my bathroom? Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Hush, puppy. Just follow me this way, right through this door. It's like Price is Right. You never know what you're going to walk into as soon as you walk through door number 1. You'll see right here, you're greeted by a 6-door linen, all finished out in hickory. You've got the black bar pools, looks phenomenal. You also have the shower right here, all one piece with the built-in seats. Makes it easy for you to shave, makes it easy for you to sit and relax and enjoy. Also, dual sinks right here in the bathroom area. You're going to have your sinks right there, additional cabinetry below, dual mirrors up above to make sure you stay so fresh and so clean. And then, of course, Toilet right here across, seen one, seen them all. But what you haven't seen all is the walk-in closet right here. Very convenient, goes right through your bathroom. So you ain't got to worry about your sister or your sister-in-law coming in. For you ladies out there trying to go through your clothes, hey, you got to go through your bedroom and your bathroom to get to your closet. So you can keep the good stuff hid from her, so that way she ain't got to worry about using it. And fellas, same thing. Same thing for you. So you got all the additional access around, additional storage up top, and again, walk space for you to utilize right here in your walk-in closet. We go on back. Let's take it through the bathroom into the primary and see how it opens back up before we get into my favorite section of the home, which is going to be the kitchen / living area. Because it's such an open floor plan with this Amadora. I mean, it is so functional, so great for anyone that's looking for a first-time home. This is one that I would definitely put at the top of the list. Also, for anyone looking to downsize, you've already done everything. Maybe you want to sell the bigger home. Maybe you want to enjoy more traveling, not be so tied to a mortgage and the high price that comes with. A lot of my clients pay cash for this because they sell their big old home, take that equity, take that money, and they're able to get a quality built home such as this and pay cash for it. Again, price is $112K, $112,000 for everything you see today besides furniture and decor. So keep in mind, this home is 16 wide, 74 feet long. It's 1,122 square feet to be exact, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So tell me if I did a good job today. Let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Looks like this, doesn't cost you a thing. It's free 99. Hit it right now. It makes me smile. And you like to see me smile. You know you do. So thank you for that. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Please do so today. And if you're subscribed like you should be, I love you. I appreciate you. I thank you. Virtual hug. With that said, run down to the comment section. Let me know what your favorite feature of the Amador was today. Was it the exterior, given that kind of pine green feel? Was it the metal roof? Or was it the functionality of the floor plan on the interior and some of those features? Let me know what your favorite option was in the Amador so I can keep these kind of things coming in the future. And if you are interested in purchasing the Amador today, you can contact me directly. You do not have to wait long at all. Run on over to Instagram or TikTok at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Amador as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram or TikTok. So you can contact me day or night. And I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.